7070 radar contact for South Ontario Airport. Cross midfield, make right traffic runway 26 right, and stay altitude.
070, I think we're at 1,900. We're crossing midfield and make right traffic for 26 right for 070.
Traffic, 2 mile final landing runway 26 left, heavy Boeing 767, report traffic in sight.
2070, we're looking for the traffic on final. And tower, just to confirm, clear touch and go 26 right for 7070.
7070, that is correct, runway 26 right, clear touch and go, and then left, or correction, left close traffic approved.
Okay, clear touch and go 26 right, and then left close traffic approved for 7070.
FedEx 3727 Heavy, turn left taxiway Foxtrot, contact ground point 9er, and have a good day.
Foxtrot, ground point 9, FedEx 3727 Heavy.
Markies look good? 65 all the way. Hold it up.
Tower Southwest 1372, switch to ILS 26 right.
Southwest 1372, Ontario Tower. Good afternoon, wind 260 at 8, runway 26 right, clear to land.
26 right, clear to land, Southwest 1372.
And tower for 070, you still want us to do left close traffic?
Cessna 070, affirmative, make left close traffic.
Cessna 070, make left close traffic.
Cessna 070, left crosswind, approve your discretion.
Left crosswind for our discretion for Cessna 070. And Cessna 070, we can do a short approach if that'll help at all.
Cessna 070, approved.
70 approved.
Southwest 1372, traffic left downwind, about to turn left base for runway 26 left, Cessna 172.
Alright, we're looking Southwest 1372.
Yeah, 070 has the southwest on the right.
Southwest 070, roger sir. Southwest 1372, Cessna 172, approaching over the numbers now, runway 26 left.
Southwest 1372.
Gulfstream 83 Charlie Whiskey holding short of 26 left, ready for takeoff.
Gulfstream 83 Charlie Whiskey, Ontario Tower, roger. There'll be about 1 more minute.
Okay.
Up to up. Here we go. There's the airspeed. 55. Nose up. Okay. Engine instruments are good. Positive rate of climb.
Gulfstream 83 Charlie Whiskey, runway 26 left, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 26 left, 3 Charlie Whiskey.
And Tower 070 request early left crossway.
Cessna 070, say again.
Request an early left crossway for 070.
070 approved.
070, early left crossway approved, thanks. Cessna 070 heads to southwest on 26 right.
Cessna 070, roger. Airspeed's alive. 55. Engine instruments are good. Positive rate of climb. Southwest 1289, turn right taxiway, Lima, turn right taxiway, November, contact ground point 9er, and have a good day.
Lima, November 49, Southwest 1289, good day.
Yeah, a little bit of a left crossway. Stay above his wing. Airspeed 55. Airspeed. Engine instruments are good. Positive rate of climb.
Cessna 070. Contact Chino Tower 118.5 and have a good day.
070 over to 118.5. Thanks for the help today. Okay, there's the left, there's the right.
Command 20 Charlie, runway 26 left, that's exit Papa, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 26 left, 20 Charlie.
Boeing looks good, guys.
Bonanza 0 Charlie Alpha, contact SoCal, departure, good flight.
Bonanza 20 Charlie Alpha, thanks for the help. Have a good evening.
You too.